Next section, alcoholism. Overview. Alcoholism, also known as alcohol use disorder, AUD. It is a broad term for any drinking of alcohol that results in problems. It was previously divided into two types: alcohol abuse and alcohol dependence. In medical context, alcoholism is said to exist when two or more of following conditions is present. A person drinks large amounts of alcohol over a long period of time, has difficulty cutting down, acquiring and drinking alcohol takes up a great deal of time. Alcohol is strongly desired. Usage results in not fulfilling responsibilities. Usage results in social problems. Usage results in health problems. Usage results in risky situations. Withdrawal occurs when stopping. An alcohol tolerance has acquired with use. Can you define alcoholism? One whose drinking interferes frequently or continuously with any of his important life adjustments and interpersonal relationship. Do not be influenced by peer groups. Factors of alcoholism: 1. Excessive intake. 2. Increasing worry. 3. Loss of control. 4. Disturbance in functioning. In India, 10% to 15% take alcohol. In USA, 74% males, 26% females take alcohol. Look at this picture. Causes of alcoholism: biological causes, psychological causes, sociological causes, spiritual. Other personal causes: stressful environment. While not every person turns to alcohol to relieve stresses, some people do. When a person has a stressful job, for example, they may be more likely to drink heavily. Second, drinking at an early age. According to Mayo Clinic, those who begin drinking at an early age are more likely to have an alcohol problem or a physical dependence on alcohol as they get older. Three, mental health problems like depression, anxiety, depression, bipolar disorder, or other mental health issues can increase risk of alcoholism. It is easy to turn to alcohol when a person is feeling anxious or depressed, and the effect of alcohol may seem to temporarily ease those feelings. 4. Taking alcohol with medicine. Some medicines can increase the toxic effects of alcohol on the body. When a person continuously takes alcohol with their medications, they may become addicted to effects that follow, some of which have the capability to be very dangerous and even life-threatening. 5. Family history. If we have a parent or other relative who is an alcoholic, the risk of alcoholism automatically increases. Parent of this due to genetics, but the other part has to do with your environment. Spending time around people who drink heavily or abuse alcohol and influence you to do the same. Types of drinker. 1. Social drinker. 2. Stress drinker. 3. Binge drinker. 4. Self-medication drinker. 5. High-risk drinker. Signs and symptoms of alcoholism. Early signs. The risk of alcohol dependence begins at low level of drinking and increases drinking larger amounts on occasion to the point of intoxication, which is sometimes called binge drinking. Warning signs: increasing amount of alcohol, frequent intoxication with drinking to the exclusion of other activities, promises to quit drinking and failure to keep them, the inability to remember what was said or done while drinking is known as blackout. Personality changes associated with drinking, denial or the making of excuses for drinking, refusal to admit excessive drinking. Process of alcoholism. 1. Pre-alcoholic symptomatic phase. 3. Prodigal phase, guilt feeling. 3. Crucial phase, loss of self-respect. 4. Chronic phase, indefinable fears, empire thinking. Problems due to alcoholism. 1. Personal misery. 2. Family discord. 3. Loss of wages. 4. Failure of health. 5. Economic loss. Effects of alcoholism. Long-term effects. Drinking more than one drink a day. For women or 2 drinks. For men, increase the risk of heart diseases, high blood pressure, arterial fibrillation and stroke. Psychiatric risk. Long-term misuse of alcohol can cause wide range of mental health problems. Severe cognitive problems are common. Approximately 10% of all dementia causes are related to alcohol consumption. Alcohol withdrawal. As with similar substances with a sedative hypnotic mechanism, withdrawal from the alcohol dependence can be fatal if it is not properly managed. Alcohol's primary effect is the increase in stimulation of the GABA receptor, promoting central nervous system causes depression. Health risk: anemia, cancer, cardiovascular disease, psoriasis, dementia, depression, seizures, gout. High blood pressure, infectious disease, nerve damage, pancreatitis. Alcohol and health. 3.3 million deaths every year. Harmful use of alcohol causes various diseases. Reduce harmful use of alcohol. Prevention methods according to CDC: education, regulation of alcohol outlet density, increasing alcohol taxes, drum shop liability, maintaining limits on day of sale, maintaining limits on hours of sale, electronic screening and brief intervention ESBI, enhanced enforcement of laws prohibiting sales to minors. Treatment methods: 1. Detoxification in hospitals. 2. Role of family. 3. Alcoholic Anonymous, share experiences with other alcoholics. 4. Treatment centers. 5. Changing values through education. 6. Social medicine. Alcoholism and health affect physical health, mental health, and social well-being. Role of nursing to reduce alcoholism: care given to alcoholic persons, treatment given by the nurses, prevention of alcoholism, counseling given to individual, families and communities to reduce alcoholism. Thank you. Have a nice day.